Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set up a Linksys Velop Mesh WiFi system. Setting up a Linksys Velop Mesh WiFi system is simple with a 5-button push setup method. First, connect your parent node to the modem using an Ethernet cable, then power it on. Place your child nodes within 10 feet of the parent during setup, and make sure each shows a solid purple light. If not, reset by holding the reset button for 15 seconds. Next, press the reset button on the parent node 5 times within 5 seconds. The light will start blinking as it searches for unconfigured nodes. Once the child nodes are detected, their lights will blink and then turn solid blue. This means your mesh network is ready. You can now move the child nodes to your preferred location and connect devices using the default Wi Fi credentials on the parent node. Finally, log into the Linksys app or web interface to customize your settings and enjoy seamless Wi Fi coverage across your home. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.